Are you wondering how long U-joints typically last? We'll answer that question here. On average, your U-joints will last the lifetime of your vehicle under normal driving conditions. However, their lifespan can vary depending on several factors, including driving conditions. Harsh driving conditions like off-roading, heavy towing, and regular high-speed driving can accelerate your U-joint wear. Maintenance. Proper lubrication can extend the life of your U-joints. Check your vehicle's owner's manual for maintenance intervals. Vehicle type. Trucks and off-road vehicles often wear out U-joints faster due to increased stresses and demanding use. Heavily modifying your vehicle's suspension or drivetrain can sometimes impact U-joint wear as well. U-joints are tough components, but their lifespan can be shortened due to improper or demanding use, neglected maintenance, or vehicle modifications. If you find yourself in need of replacement U-joints, be sure to source your parts from a trusted OEM and aftermarket U-joint manufacturer like GMB. For more information on U-joint replacement, follow the link in the description below.